In this video, we briefly summarise the main points of several preceding videos relating to matter. This diagram summarises the important ideas about matter and especially the relationship between elements, compounds and mixtures. All matter is either a pure substance or a mixture of pure substances. Mixtures are the result of the physical combination of two or more substances, and they can be separated into their constituent components by simple physical processes such as grinding, crushing, filtration, distillation, and centrifugation. Mixtures can be classified as either homogeneous mixtures or heterogeneous mixtures. Homogeneous mixtures are given a special name, solutions, and they contain only one visibly distinct phase. For a particular sample of solution, the matter in question is uniform throughout, and a subsample will be representative of the whole in terms of its composition and its physical and chemical properties. Although it should be noted that different solutions containing the same substances may have varying compositions or concentrations and therefore varying properties. Examples of solutions or homogeneous mixtures include seawater, clean air, some well-mixed beverages such as tea or coffee or sugared solutions, and metal-metal solutions known as amalgams. Heterogeneous mixtures are physical combinations of two or more substances containing more than one visibly distinct phase, with each phase possessing different physical and chemical properties. The matter in question is not uniform throughout, and a subsample of a heterogeneous solution may not be representative of the whole sample in terms of its composition and in terms of its physical and chemical properties. Examples of heterogeneous mixtures include most everyday examples of matter. Pure substances, or simply substances, are uniform throughout and do not vary in chemical composition from sample to sample. A substance has a definite, distinct, and unique set of physical and chemical properties that do not vary from sample to sample. If two different samples of matter have the same set of physical and chemical properties, then they are said to be the same substance. There are two types of substances, elements and compounds. Two or more elements can combine via chemical reactions to form compounds, and compounds can be broken down or decomposed into their constituent elements via chemical reactions. As far as we're concerned, elements are the simplest form of matter containing only a single type of atom, and they cannot be broken down into simpler substances by either physical or chemical means. Examples of elements include hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, copper, gold, and sodium. Compounds are a chemical combination of two or more elements combined in a fixed proportion by mass. A given compound will always have the same ratio of elements and therefore the same chemical composition and the same physical and chemical properties. And while compounds cannot be broken down into their constituent elements by physical processes, they can be broken into simpler substances via chemical processes or chemical reactions. Examples of compounds include water, salts such as sodium chloride, sugars such as glucose, gases such as carbon dioxide, and liquids such as ammonia.